it affected my job in many ways. It wasn't near as productive as I could have been, and it just the whole nature of addiction I learned later on was just I became a slave to alcohol and drugs, and it really consumed my life. Um, with most alcoholics and addicts, I didn't see it at the time, and I didn't think I was hurting anybody but myself. And in my mind, I was still managing well, but the reality was I was hurting, a lot of friends and family, and pushing people away, and relationships were harmed. And in the end, my job suffered. The most significant cost was just losing myself and really not knowing who I was and becoming a completely different person. And the only way I felt, you know, somewhat normal was to be under the influence of some substance. It's a gift, you know, to be given a brand new life, essentially. Um, and that is possible and is available to anyone struggling with addiction. There's a lot of challenges initially, but the reward is far greater in my experience than what I would have ever thought. And the life I have today is so much more fulfilling. If you want a different way of life, then sobriety is there for anybody that's willing to put the effort into it. And COPAC was the venue that led me into where I am today in terms of giving me that stability initially and introducing me to a new way of living through the 12 steps and through Alcoholics Anonymous.